I'm a money making, no cap, ayy. Hot as out, but you already knew that. Even if I brought them to you, still couldn't get your boo back, ayy. I'm saying, put your hands on your whip, huh?
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Meek, and we are back with another video. So today is wash day, and I decided to try out a line that I've never tried before. It's Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut line. I have the shampoo, the deep conditioner, and as well as the curl elixir. The shampoo gently cleanses, refreshes, and softens the hair for manageability and prepares the hair for conditioning and styling. It's nutrient enrichment with vitamins A, B, C, and E, fiber, protein, and antioxidants to achieve your strongest, healthiest hair. Here is the Nutrition Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. It balances moisture in hair, nourishes, conditions, and strengthens strands, adds shine, and restores your scalp and hair back to its best pH. Helps to eliminate dry, frizzy hair, boosts hair elasticity, and works great on color-treated hair. Nutrition Curl Elixir is a curl and hair styling conditioning elixir that reduces frizz, strengthens strands while sealing in curl form and shape, reduces long-lasting curls, and leaves your hair feeling soft and tangle-free. Has awesome and amazing curl memory that works great on all curl textures and patterns. Now, let's get straight into this wash. So this is what my hair is looking like with only water and no other products in it. I'm making sure that my hair is fully saturated before I go in with the shampoo. I do have low porosity 4C hair, so making sure that my hair is fully saturated before applying product is very important. With me making sure that the product is penetrating through my hair strands. So right here, I'm just going to shampoo my hair real good. I broke my hair down into a couple sections so that I can make sure that the product was all over. As you can see, I do have problem areas in the front of my hair. So I'm currently working on a hair regimen to get that area to grow back.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
Right here, I want to zoom in so you can get a closer look as to what my hair is looking like once the shampoo has been applied and I've washed it out. I'm looking at it all confused because I'm trying to figure out why the bottom of my hair seems like it is losing its curl pattern. It's more of a looser curl pattern back there. I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm about to get it together, baby. Just wait. This is what the back of my hair is looking like. As I said before, I do have 4C hair, so my hair is tightly coiled. Now I'm about to go in with a deep conditioner. So I do like to use deep conditioner in smaller sections. Way smaller than the two big sections that I shampooed my hair in. This deep conditioner is a good consistency. I decided to do the deep conditioner while I was in the shower so that once again the water can help the product penetrate through my strands. Once I applied the deep conditioner to each section, I did go in with my detangling brush just to make sure that I was working the product all the way in and that my hair was getting fully detangled. Right here, you are going to see me do a random shake. I was shaking my hair just to kind of separate the curls. I do feel like this deep conditioner gave me exactly what I needed. My fingers are easily running through my hair right now. My hair feels so moisturized while I was running. That's why I just kept running my fingers through it. Like, look at it. Once I had all the deep conditioner applied and combed through and detangled, I did go in with the shower cap. I left the deep conditioner in my hair for about 30 minutes as I finished taking my shower. All I can say is, wow, my hair is so moisturized and the curls just feel so juicy. So I'm about to go in now to wash this conditioner out. This process feels so long to me. I know I can't be the only person that hates wash day. My arms hurt so bad. I be so tired, but I know it has to get done, so I just suck it up and do it. I decided that I am going to apply a leave-in, and I've learned that the best way and the best time to apply your leave-in is while you're in the shower washing your hair. So that's what we are doing. The only thing that I am upset about is that I did not purchase a leave-in conditioner from the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe with coconut line. So I did have to go in and use my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Not Away Leave-In Detangler. That is what I am putting in my hair right now. I worked it in small sections. Then I went back in with my detangling brush to make sure that my hair was thoroughly detangled. And then I just put a twist in my hair to separate that section and to make sure the leave-in was penetrating my hair properly. So I went in section by section through the rest of my hair, applying the leave-in conditioner, detangling it, and putting a twist in it. I really wish y'all could see and feel the curl definition, because baby, when I tell you this video does it no justice, my hair feels so good. Like I said, so moisturized, y'all. I'm definitely gonna be using this in my wash routine from now on. This product line is amazing. I definitely recommend. At this point, I was just hoping and praying that the curl elixir did not let me down. Once I'm finished twisting my hair all the way up with these twists, I will be doing a twist out using the Nutrition Curl Elixir from this line. So if you're ready to see how that product works, stay tuned. Make sure you watch that video after you watch this one, because I will be doing my twist out once I am finished. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Peace.
Well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside.